Yo, what's poppin', man? It's your boy, Dwight Manuel, man. You already know what it is, man. I'm here with part two of this unboxing, man. I got two boxes in the mail. Obviously, the previous one was the Defining Moments pack. Well, the Jordan 6 Defining Moments. So, man, man, when it's quarantine and all that out, man, I'm going straight to the loctician, man. It's crazy, man. I look like I got a fro, locks, all that, but it's all love, dog. So let's get into this unboxing, man. I'm happy. So the first box was obviously the Jordan 6s. So I know this got to be the 5s. I caught these on a shock drop. They don't come out until Saturday. Yep, 2 days from now. So I haven't opened them. Let's get to it. I'll try to make this quick, fast, in a hurry. Like I said, the videos are definitely getting better, man. I'm just thugging it out right now, just, you know, getting y'all some content, man. Just gotta keep going. Obviously, I'm working behind the scenes to make it better, give y'all some better visuals and all that stuff, so y'all could be, satisfied. Let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think, man. I'm just bringing y'all straight raw and uncut personality. I'm recording straight off the iPhone right now. I ain't tripping. I do got a better camera, by the way, so I just want to let y'all know, like, I ain't messing around out here, like I really do. Like, my camera, the shit. I just gotta get some more parts and stuff to get my whole setup going. You feel me? So once that get going, y'all gonna be like, whoa, it's gonna be like day and night. But for now, we're gonna thug it out together, baby. Clearly, I opened this up from the wrong side, but oh, okay. Bring these out. Get that the fuck out of here. Got the OG box. I think it is. I never had these. I never had these Jordan 5s. I never had the OG Jordan 5, the fire red. So, of course, you got your 9.5. You got your Nike Air on the box. You got your Jordan on top of the box. Look like, got the cement right there. Black, red, cement, all that. Let's open it up. Ooh. Oh, you balls. Let me open it up this way. I'm gonna give y'all the visual, So you got your black plastic. The drastic black plastic. Here we go. Okay. These are hard, super hard. I can't wait to throw these on, man. So you got your Nike Air on the back. You got your red and clear lace lock. You got your silver tongue. White laces, obviously. You got the red fire right here. Got the icy sole with the Jordan right there. Then you got Nike right here. These hard. You got the Nike Air on the inside. I didn't get to say that about the Defining Moments pack. In the inside of the Defining Moment, they had the Jordan sign with, I think, 2020 in the inside, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think. Let me know if I'm wrong or not. I ain't gonna go through all that. I don't mind being wrong. I'm not trying to be no expert. I'm just trying to give y'all dope stuff. That's it. Dope stuff, fly stuff, drip, however, whatever word you want to use, man. We got many words. Just fly shit only. You feel me? Got the Nike Air on the inside, behind the tongue. Yeah, man. These hard. I think they modeled these after an airplane. War something airplane. I don't know. Hey, listen. I ain't coming with the details. So all y'all sneakerheads and all that type of stuff, that's cool. Like, I'm here for the drip. I'm here for the fly shit only. So it ain't gonna be. It could be a lot of different stuff on here. I'm gonna bring y'all on feet reviews, lace up reviews, cause like I said before, man, I hate seeing cats, man, with their shoes laced all the way up. Like, dog, come on, man. That's super corny. We go to the other joint. Let's see. Let's get this one out of the way. Damn, shit fell. But yeah, these definitely getting tossed on. He's hard, man. He's hard. He's definitely hard. You see, it's actually reflecting a little bit. You know, you got the 3M on the tongue. You know, these hard. You know, get in, man. I'm gonna bring y'all lookbooks too. I'm telling you, oh, what? Lookbooks gonna be crazy, baby. You know what I'm saying? So you know, I'm gonna be showing y'all the lace ups. So like I was saying before, I don't wanna go too far away from what I was originally saying. You know, get your lace ups on. Show y'all lace up reviews, cause a lot of these dudes be wearing their shoes like they about to go hoop like 20 hustles. We ain't doing that. If you come into this video, this page, all that, baby boy, baby girl, or whoever watching, we ain't lacing up our shoes tight over here, man. If you lacing up your shoes tight and want to walk, do the duck walk and all that other goofy stuff, go somewhere else. Go way over there, all right? We over there. We gonna take you way over there. We ain't doing that over here. Fly shit only, man, type shit. You feel me? You got both. Bam. Nike Air. Flip. Nike Air. I'm gonna show y'all. You know, I should honestly. I'm late. I'm way late. But you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's better late than never. You know, and I ain't one of those dudes that be like, oh man, you know, he got some glue on here. I got him. So, got some glue on it. Whatever. You know, like if it's too bogus, then I may say something. But for the most part, hey, I got them just like y'all got them. But we just gonna talk about them. We're gonna be fly with these. I don't like my videos being too long, so I'm gone. Holla at your boys, your boy Dwight Manuel. Look me up on IG, Dwight Manuel with 2 L's, man. Fuck with me. You already know what it is, man. I'm gonna be bringing y'all more reviews, lookbooks, lace ups. We're gonna be chopping it up, man. We're gonna be showing y'all. I'm gonna be showing y'all love. Show me love. Drop a comment. Follow me on IG. You know, it's all love, man. Holla at your boy. Peace.